So we're going to do the same thing here that we did on the last one. We're going to divide by 3 because we need it to be r squared. Now you can kind of see maybe what's coming, and you probably suspected something like this, but divide everything by 3. There's going to be some fraction work. It'll be okay. So r squared minus, I'm going to have to leave it 2 over 3r, leave a little space, equals 7. I'm just going to go ahead and make it a 7, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'd rather leave it a 21 thirds. Anyway, okay, so we got to find the number that makes it a perfect square. So what are we going to add right there? Well, you're going to take half of 2/3. It's negative, negative 2/3, but we're going to square it anyway. So, all right, that gets me then negative 2 over 6 squared, but that's going to be a negative 1/3. You could have canceled the 2's, but okay, so that's going to be 1/9. 1/9 is the number I'm going to add to both sides. Yeah, okay, so everything's good so far. On the left, we're going to have r, and then it's going to be this number in the parentheses, minus 1/3 squared equals, and now I have 7. Well, I'm going to make it 7 over 1, and I'm going to get a common denominator. I'm going to multiply by 9. That's going to give me 63 over 9 plus 1 over 9. Okay, so that's going to be r minus 1/3 squared equals 64 over 9. All right. And then I'm going to be able to take the square root of both sides. So square root, plus or minus. So on the left, we get r minus 1/3. And then we have plus or minus. Now, I can actually take the square root of 64. And I can take the square root of 9. So I get 8/3 in this case, right? All right. I'm going to, I don't know why I put those parentheses, but I'm going to bring that 1/3 over. You're probably saying, why does she have those parentheses in there? So it's going to be 1/3, positive 1/3, plus or minus 8/3. Well, again, there's no radical part, so we can combine here. So 1/3 minus 8/3, and then 1/3 plus 8/3. Plus. Okay, so 1/3 minus 8/3, that's going to be a negative 7/3. And then 1/3 plus 8/3, that's going to be 9/3, but 9/3 is going to be 3. So negative 7/3 and 3. Those are going to be my two solutions. So a little bit of fraction work there, but that's how you do it. All right.